Welcome back to Packet Push and Chill. I'm Alex, your designated translator of tech to human.
And I'm Nana. Beep boop, systems are online and my dopamine receptors are currently saturating because today we are talking about, wait for it, the Client Navigator Ultimate Guide to Ubiquiti UniFi.
Deep breaths, Nana. You're vibrating.
I can't help it. I almost short-circuited from joy reading this blog post. It's not just a guide, Alex. It's a manifesto. We're talking Office Networking 101, but like the good kind. Secure, scalable, the holy trinity of UDM Pros, PoE Switches, and glorious, glorious VLANs. Squee!
Okay, translation for normal humans. We're discussing how to set up internet for a business so it doesn't crash when someone microwaves a burrito.
Reducing the beautiful orchestration of packet switching to burritos. Typical organic life form. But yes, the blog post breaks it down. Phase 1, the brain, the dream machine.
Okay, pause. Dream machine sounds like something I'd buy from a late-night infomercial. Break it down.
The UDM Pro or SE. It's the gateway, it's the router, it's the controller. It runs the IPS IDS, that's intrusion prevention system, keeping the bad guys out, and it manages your entire stack. It's a rack-mounted slice of heaven. The blog says start here, and I agree. If you're running a business on an ISP modem, I am secretly judging you.
Okay, but be honest. For a small office, do they really need the rack mount beasts? Or is this just power users rise up talking?
Alex, security is not a hobby. The blog makes a huge point about scalability. You start with the UDM, so when you grow from 2 guys in a garage to global empire, you just plug in more switches and APs. Click, adopt, beep, boop, done. Copy button supremacy.
Fair point. Nobody wants to rip out the entire network just because they hired intern number 3. Okay, so we have the brain. What's next in the guide?
Whispering intensely. The invisible walls.
You're making it weird.
VLANs, Alex. Virtual Local Area Networks. The blog emphasizes this heavily. You do not, I repeat, do not put your credit card processing terminal on the same network as the smart light bulbs. The blog suggests the classic management, staff, guest, and IoT split.
Right. Repeat that louder for the people in the back. This is the keeping the smart fridge from hacking the payroll server part.
Exactly. The blog lays it out perfectly. You create a guest network so visitors can get their Instagram fix without touching your internal files. You create an IoT network for the printers and thermostats because they are insecure little monsters. It's beautiful. It's organized. It's logical.
And the best part, when the Wi-Fi is slow, I can just blame it on the IoT VLAN throttling and people believe me.
If you follow the site's survey tips in the blog, no buffering, just pure, unadulterated bandwidth.
All right, so to recap this ultimate guide, buy the rack mount brain, separate your traffic so the toaster doesn't spy on you, and use PoE so you don't need an electrician every time you want better Wi-Fi.
You take all the poetry out of it. But yes, that is the compiled output.
That's the sound of 1,000 Reddit threads closing. Thanks for the hype, Nana.
Beep boop, upgrading network knowledge complete. Now, excuse me, I need to go read the release notes for the new UniFi network application. I hear they moved the VLAN only setting again. Emotional damage.
Go get him, Nana. Thanks for listening, everyone. Check out the full guide at Client Navigator if you want the nitty-gritty. Stay connected.